Greetings, fellow dating wolves. Welcome back to the heart of our den, the Dating Wolf Channel. Today's journey is all about mastering the dating game. In the next 8 minutes, we'll delve deep into the realms of confidence, communication, scent, playful teasing, and adaptability. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a howling adventure. Confidence boosters. Let's kick things off by unlocking the secret to confidence. Wolves are known for their regal posture and unwavering presence. In the next 2 minutes, we'll explore practical tips on how to stand tall, make eye contact, and let your body language exude confidence. Remember, confidence is the key to opening the doors of successful dating. Howling Conversations. Communication is the heartbeat of any wolf pack, and the dating world is no exception. Join me in the next 2 minutes as we unravel the art of conversation. Discover the power of asking open-ended questions that not only keep the dialogue flowing, but also reveal the depths of your date's personality. It's time to turn ordinary conversations into extraordinary connections. Scent matters. Now let's tap into one of the most primal senses, smell. Wolves use it to navigate their world, and you can use it to leave a lasting impression. Over the next 90 seconds, we'll delve into the world of scents, exploring how to choose and apply a signature fragrance that captivates and lingers in the memory. Get ready to make an entrance they won't forget. Playful teasing. Wolves are playful creatures, and injecting a bit of playfulness into your dating game can work wonders. Join me in the next 90 seconds as we explore the delicate art of playful teasing. Done right, it adds a delightful touch to your interactions, creating a fun and engaging atmosphere. Get ready to leave your date intrigued and smiling. Adaptability. The final piece of our puzzle is adaptability, a trait shared by wolves and successful daters. Over the next minute, we'll discuss the importance of being flexible and open-minded. Life is full of surprises, and embracing the unexpected not only showcases your resilience, but also makes the journey more exciting. Stay tuned for this valuable insight. Dress to impress. As wolves have their magnificent fur, you too can make a statement with your attire. In the next minute, we'll explore the art of dressing to impress. Find a style that complements your personality and the occasion. Remember, your outfit is your armor, and the right ensemble can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. Social media savvy. In this digital age, wolves use howls to communicate, and you can use social media to your advantage. Spend the next minute with me as we discuss being social media savvy. Craft an authentic and appealing online presence that reflects your true self. It's not about portraying perfection, but showcasing the real you in the best light possible. And there you have it, dating wolves. A comprehensive guide to mastering the dating game. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a howling good episode. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but enhancing the unique qualities that make you the incredible individual you are. Until next time, happy dating, stay wild,